Hello everybody. In this video I am going to show the beautiful and most interesting GUI tool for the college students. This is the actual 991ES Plus second edition Casio calculator, scientific calculator. This is the desktop version of the calculator. Here you can do all the operations and other things. Here I am going to show you how to download this and install this application. Here you go with the Google and type the scientific calculator Casio for PC. Here you will get the graphing calculator software worldwide education website. Click on this website. This link I will give you in the description box below. Here you will get the so many models. So right now I am using the physical calculator, this version 991ES Plus second edition emulator. This version I am using right now. So I am selecting this one. Click on the download when you select the model. Here we have to select this some options. So in the occupation select the others. So I am selecting others. Here I am selecting the others educations. In the country I am selecting the India. After the selecting all the options, click on the check this box. I have read the consented to the software license agreement. Check this one and click on the download. Here your download is begins. So I already downloaded the emulator file, so I don't require to download it again. So I am cancelling it. Once you download the file, just double click on install the software as it is. That's it, over. The installation is over. Now the emulator we can use. Initially in the starting page you will get this like this. You have to select the second option, this diagram. You can do all the operational and scientific calculator formula by using this emulator. This is only for the 90 days subscription. When you open the calculator, it will get this diagram. You have to select the second option. No, I want to continue my current version. Click on the next. So you will get the interface like this. You can use the laptop. No number pad numbers. You cannot do your operations. So thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel. Have fun.